YouTube, what's going on? Out here today in the garden before it gets too cold. Let me see if it's working. Yeah, got the wobble going on using the hand unit, something I don't do that often. Still trying to get used to it, but I'm out here before it gets too cold. Today is the 10th of November, so I'm out here harvesting, cleaning, got some wood to cut. But the real reason why I'm here is I like to thank my subscribers for coming with me on this journey. I'm now at 93, on the road to 100 subscribers, and I'd like to thank everyone who has subscribed. Also like to thank my viewers for watching. Really appreciate it and everything. Looking forward to the next 100 after this number. I am going to be going offline pretty much. I'm going to stop making videos probably the end of this week, but I will have content coming out twice a week as usual, so I still have content ready for you. Getting ready for 2023. I'm very excited, looking forward to it. Hopefully it's going to bring big things next year. Hopefully I'll be able to share a lot of new things that I'm going to add to the channel. New structures, new garden structures, better fruit, better vegetables. So looking for big things in 2023. Come along with me on my journey, and I'd like to thank everyone who has. Peace out. See you next year.